I wrote the book, 10 Biggest Mistakes That Can Wreck Your Washington Accident Case, to create awareness among accident victims and to help accident victims protect their rights. If you do have any questions about the book or about your case in general, please call our office, 206-727-4000.
Well, my name is Reggie, and I spent the last 10 years as an auto claim representative, and prior to that I was a police officer. One day I happened to be in a Starbucks getting a coffee, and I sat down at a vacant table. And when I sat at the table, there was this book laying there, which was called The 10 Biggest Mistakes That Can Wreck Your Washington Accident Case. When I looked at the title, I thought it was quite inviting based on my prior experiences in the automobile insurance industry and also in law enforcement. So I sat there in fascination and read this book from cover to cover, and I was very impressed with the content. I found that it had a lot of information in it which was both timely, practical, and also unbiased as it relates to how to handle an accident case if you're involved in one. I was so impressed with the book that I actually called Chris Davis's office and shared with them my experience as both a police officer as well as a claims adjuster. I would strongly suggest anyone who's been involved in a motor vehicle accident where they've incurred either personal bodily injury and or property damage, or if they have not yet been the victim of an automobile accident, to read this. I think it's something that should be a mainstay with anyone who owns an automobile and operates it on the highways of this country.